Hi, I'm Dempsey Woodley. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can create dynamic searches of website content using Content Buddy dynamic content widgets. These searches can have simple yet powerful filtering options, and the results cards can be tailored to present relevant information to your users so they can find what they want quickly. So how are these filtered searches achieved? When Content Buddy is installed on your IMS instance, a table is created using the panel editor called cb_content. On non-EMS versions, the table is called cb_content_2017. This table is populated with the information required to create the searches, filters, and results cards on your website. The key fields for creating results cards are the title, the description, document path so you can create a button linking to the content, and publication date to allow the results to be sorted. The tags field is used to store tags associated with the content through the IMS tagging function. The other important fields on this table are the user-defined fields. For Content Buddy, user-defined field 1 is used for the image path, and user-defined field 2 is used for categories. There are a further 8 user-defined fields that can be utilized by your organization to create custom filters. Once a day, Content Buddy uses an API-driven process to automatically refresh the table with the latest content changes. You can run the same process manually on the staff site. Go to pseudocode, Content Buddy, refresh content data, and click on the refresh content button. You can see the contents of this table in the staff site. Go to Rise, Intelligent Query Architect, pseudocode, Content Buddy to see the queries that have been created with this table as a source. Specifically, the content list of content search query can be used as a base query for the dynamic content widgets. Each line in this query represents a website content page. Now you know how to access the data, let's explore where the data comes from. Go to Rise, Page Builder, Manage Content, and open any web content item. Content Buddy sources the title and the document path from the fields in the Definition tab. In the Current Tags tab, you can define the tags that will be written into the CB Content Tags field. From the Properties tab is sourced the description, the publish date, and the UD fields. The user-defined fields for all website content items are created by going to Rise, Maintenance, User-defined fields. With the Content Buddy install, Image is the UD1 field, and Category is the UD2 field. You can add more UD fields that may be required for your filtering. The UD number is defined by the sort order. I'll demonstrate the process of configuring a user-defined field in the Creating Filters video. Now let's look at the basic configuration of a dynamic content widget. For this demonstration, I'm using the Filtered Data Widget preset 6. Under General or Global, I'm removing the title and the introduction and leaving the default No Results message. In the Results area, the default IQA is selected. Leave the other settings as they are. The HTML markup is also the default markup. You can see and copy this markup from the staff site by going to pseudocode, Settings and Credentials, selecting the HTML markup tab, and clicking on Content. The dynamic elements that will appear in the results cards are defined by the field names surrounded by double square brackets. These have been selected using the icon on the top right of each section. As you can see, The available fields correspond with the fields displayed in the selected query. You can insert fields into the markup simply by clicking, then move them to where you want them in the markup. These basic configuration settings give you the following result. Learn how you can further enhance your user experience in the Creating Filters video.